everyone, and welcome to CODiii, the Design and Construction Brain. This is the place where all of your project requirements come to meet. We have built up a database of 440 touch points that range around the entire industry and put them all into one location for you to research. All you do is you take a look for the folders that belong to the projects that are important to you, and from those folders, we can then take the information with them and guide you to the right location that matches your project. You have specifications or architectural documents? No problem. You just right-click, share your file, whether it's Google Drive or SharePoint. Make sure that when you do share the file that anyone with the link can view it. You can then copy that link and take it and feed it right into our CODiii software. So within CODiii, you load up all of your requirements cards, and from those requirements cards, there's a handy dandy little link button that sits off to the side. You can use the easy search tool to identify the cards you're looking for. And then once you've found them, all you do is you hover over it, click the link button, add your URL, and click the add button to adhere that link to your project. It'll then take the files that are within there and get them ready for processing so that CODiii can use it for your overall project. And you'll see it stored there for the life cycle of your project, which is pretty awesome. After that, we then get to take the functionality and move over to the chat interface. And this is not your run-of-the-mill chatbot. The way that this has been designed is right from CODiii's brain. We can take and remove existing saved chats, or we can take the information that we have in here and combine it together with multi-document selection. So take a look at a prompt. When we run the prompt like this, we can select things like building codes or design briefs or specifications documents and combine the information into one prompt search. What this does is it provides insane amounts of research compatibility. We can now do searches on documents that we've never been able to do before. It'll provide cross-referencing as well as conclusionary responses to identify areas of concern for your project. It's pretty cool. Those answers are pretty legit. And all the references come tied to it, and it tells you that the most restrictive items that are part of your project are out front and center. If that is too complicated, even though it's providing all the references and statements and answers, we can then take this information and generate cautionary notes and conclusions that are adequate for our search capabilities. And if it's too much, well, that's great. We introduced a simplify button because all this information may be too much for people to digest. So you just click the simplify button. Once you do that, it'll take all of that and put it into an answer that's palpable for your team.